I made a hair mistake. And yes, to some of you watching, you'll be like, your hair is a mistake. Well, guess what? My vision is the only vision that matters. Thank you. Now, I had box black dye hair. So I used 2 rounds of color remover, Color Oops, and what it does is it shrinks the molecules of color in your hair, and thus the more you wash it afterwards, the molecules slip out of your hair and your hair gets lighter. So I did 2 rounds of that. I washed my hair 9 times after that and waited 24 hours because if you put color or bleach on too soon, it will just expand those shrunken molecules and you'll be back to dark hair. Well, apparently I did not wait long enough because not only did I didn't do bleach, but not only did I do a color, I did a high lift red, which kind of can act like bleach. So essentially my hair just got super dark again. So I screwed that up, but now I'm going to use the vitamin C method to lighten it up a bit. And so here's the result after an hour of vitamin C in my hair with shampoo. You can't really tell on camera, but it's like half a shade lighter, which is not as dramatic as I'm used to. However, I didn't have bleached hair underneath, like that was already stripped of color. It was just my natural black hair, then the box dye black hair, and then I used the color remover and the vitamin C. So, and the reason I dyed my black hair black is because I have so much silver hair. Like my dad went gray really early, so I'm heading in that direction. But I tried so hard to resist, but I couldn't help it. This is bleach. Yes, I know it's in a weird shape right now, but that's on purpose. Let's see how light it can get. Update, we're coming along. I did like the first coat just on the very ends of my hair. Now I moved it to the roots and the sides because the sides are shaved and will process faster. So hopefully in about 20 minutes we'll be good. Oops. What? Wow. Oops. Wow. Wow. Pretty much done. I have a mask in my hair right now. I bleached it to a light orange, which was not light enough to do like T18 or a type of blonde I would like. Plus I didn't want to buy extra stuff. I have a ton and I didn't have I just didn't have the right color. However, I did have 7RR, which is ta-da! Fun, bright red color. This is actually the color I was going for. For a second, I was like, I lightened it so much, maybe it should be blonde, but fiery red is so much fun. I'm still not sure how I feel about my eyebrows, but I'll address that later. However, another thing was this side's a little too short and messed up, but I cut a Deathhawk kind of for short hair because I saw this girl who she's no longer on any social media or YouTube, but it's like, I say chasing kerosene, but it's like CH, a number, and then kerosene. She did like a Deathhawk video. I cannot wait to grow my hair out and kind of have that look because I think it's absolutely fire. But for now, I've got my little pixie Deathhawk in a bright, fun red. So, yay!